What is going on, everybody? So in the last episode we got the M18 tools unboxed and we checked them out, got my first impressions on them. Now we got the M12 Fuel ones that we have to do. So I got the Stubby impact wrench right here. It's the 3/8 version, and then I also have the 3/8 extended reach ratchet right here. I went ahead and picked up this 3 milliamp battery. I can use this on the ratchet or on the impact wrench, but I mainly am going to use it on the ratchet. Unless I want a more compact impact wrench, then I'll swap it into there. But mainly I'm going to be rocking this XC 6.0 in the impact wrench. Then I went ahead and just bought some sockets and adapters that I wanted, and that's just a little extra stuff that I'll go ahead and unbox on the video as well. So let's go ahead and get started with this extended reach ratchet. Let's go ahead and unbox it, see what's in the box and how it looks. I've yet to put my hands on one of these, so I don't even know yet how I'm gonna feel about it, but definitely want to enter and win. You guys actually have a chance to win a huge bundle of tools from Milwaukee if you guys enter, so don't forget. So here is the ratchet itself. Let's get it out of the packaging. So there it is. As you guys can see, you got the extended reach version, not the standard, because I want to be able to get it into areas where the other one might not be able to get into. You got that nice little reach, be able to get it into nice areas where you need it. So this is gonna come in handy a lot. So to change directions, you just spin this thing right here, forward, reverse. Here's the handle. Now this feature is nice right here. You can lock this paddle so that way it does not get accidentally pressed while it's in your toolbox. You don't want to burn your motor out or accidentally drain your battery by just having this pressed up against something and going off in your toolbox. The build quality on this feels really sturdy. It's nice in the hand. It's got a good weight to it, but it's not too heavy. So you're still able to maneuver this, get it everywhere you need it, you know, get it into good angles, which is really nice. It's gonna definitely save a lot of time in taking off bolts and just doing little jobs here and there. It's also got a nice little light right there. Let's go ahead and get the battery unpackaged, throw it in here, and let's see how she operates. Let's go ahead and unbox this guy. Milwaukee doesn't play around with their packaging, I'll tell you. Wait, so they expect me to open this? This is not an easy package to open up. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this open. I'll be right back. Why does this gotta be so hard to open? I'm not sure. All right, so after barely getting this thing out, this is what it looks like right here. Nice and compact. Got a little instruction manual if you need it. So, first time, let's go ahead and slap this battery in here. See how she runs. I wonder if there's a battery life indicator on this thing. Oh, there's something right here. Oh, yep, so there's the battery life indicator. Dead as usual for everything. So it's nice it has a variable trigger, so it's not always going at full speed at all times. If you need to just gently loosen something or whatnot, you can just sit there and really nice. So this thing is capable of 55 foot-pounds of torque, which is gonna be plenty for engine work. Anyways, you're not supposed to be breaking bolts with these things, but other than that, this thing is awesome. All right, so let's go ahead and get this Stubby impact wrench out. I'm really excited for this one. This is gonna be the main tool that I use right here. Whenever this gets a little too big or whatnot, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to this guy, or if this one is easier to use, then I'll use this. So let's open it up. Actually, really quick, I wanna show you guys the box. If you guys are interested in the specs on this thing, that's what it looks like. You guys can pause it if you need to. Let me show you the other box as well. And then here's the ratchet one. Forgot to show you. Let's get it out of here. All right, as usual, you guys want to enter to win. So I'm gonna save those. Little instruction manual if you guys need it. Here's the Stubby itself. Now this thing is just amazing. Look at that, you guys. This thing is gonna be so fun to use. Just fits so nicely in the hand, nice and compact. With this battery, it's gonna be a little bit bigger, but it's gonna have a lot of battery life with that one, so that's why I chose that one. But if we wanted to, we can slap the small one in here. Actually, let me go ahead and slap the small one in here, show you what that looks like. All right, so here's the compact battery. We're gonna go ahead and put it inside of the Stubby. Look at that, that battery just makes this whole entire thing look so small. Dead battery. Gonna slap it on the charger here in a second. And this also has 3 modes, as you guys can see up here. Let's go to the first mode. Also has a variable trigger. It's got the light. I think this thing is really cool. Fits in the hand so nice. Build quality feels amazing on this thing. And if I'm only doing light work, I can be using this battery. Makes it nice and small. Get it into areas. Not really gonna be using it too much on the engine, probably using this ratchet a little bit more, but for like under the car work and suspension work, anything like that, this should be able to get the job done. It's got upwards of 250 foot-pounds of torque, which is a lot of torque for such a small little tool. I'm gonna go ahead and put this battery on the charger. We're gonna go ahead and unbox that one, slap it in, see what it looks like, how it feels, and then we'll just open up those really quickly on camera, and then that's gonna be it for this video. So here's the battery itself. Let's go ahead and slap it in. Still pretty compact with double the battery life on it. Really nice. So far for a first impression, these are some really nice tools. There's a reason that I went with this brand and not any other brand, and I do not regret purchasing these tools out of all the other ones that were there. Let's just go ahead and unbox this stuff really quick, see what's in the box. It shouldn't take too long. Just wanted to get a couple more sockets for my tools. All right, so these ones are like swivel sockets, as you guys can see. So you guys can get into areas that are kind of tricky. And this kit comes with a 1/2-inch version, 3/8, and 1/4. As you guys can see right there. That is definitely gonna be nice to be using right there. Take these out and see what we have in here. And then these are adapters. So since this is 3/8 and then my high torque is a 1/2, I wanted to get some adapters to be able to use any of my sockets with any of my tools. And this is the brand that I went with. These are impact rated. Quality looks pretty nice on them as well. And then this little thing, I'll show you exactly what this is. So if you guys watched the video of me working on my 4Runner where I had to drill out the spot welds, before I drilled them I had to do a center punch on every one of the spot welds so that way the drill does not wander. This tool basically does all of that without having to get the center punch and the hammer and hit it. Does it all at once. All you have to do is put this on the middle where you want it punched and then just push down on it. I'll show you what I mean. Let's say we need a little divot in this metal. Just go ahead and put it where you need it. And there you go. You got yourself a little mark. That should help the drill bit not wander. This is also good for measuring things. If you want to put a little mark somewhere, you're measuring something. Let's say you need it from here to about here. It's easy to find your dots to where you measured. That's going to be it for this video, you guys. I just wanted to show you guys a quick unboxing and first impression of these tools. This is a really good lineup. I highly recommend it. If you were to get any M12 tools, I would highly recommend going with this 3/8-inch Stubby impact wrench and then this 3/8 extended reach ratchet. I'm really happy with my purchase. These are some really nice and high quality tools, and I really do hope they will last, but that is something we will find out in the long run. So anyways, thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Taking a little break from the 4Runner right now. I got too many 4Runner episodes in a row. So what I'm gonna do is do some spark plugs on this WRX for the next video. And I also do have a cylinder 4 cooling mod for the STI. So stay tuned for that if you guys are interested. That's gonna be it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video, and you guys all have a fantastic day. Have a good one.